love this, and I kind of hope nobody buys it so I can keep it. That is so bad, but like, no, it's really cute. So whoever gets it, I definitely want update photos. Hey guys, my name's Noah. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I have some really exciting news to share with you guys that I started a little Etsy plant shop. As you could tell by the title of this video, this has been something that I've always wanted to do. Can't believe I actually did it. I took a chance and I did it, so I'm really excited to share with you guys. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys the 5 plants that I have listed right now, and I will also let you know other plants that I do plan to add to it. I am propagating a ton of stuff right now. I did do a video on what I'm propagating, but I've been propagating so much more than that lately. They're so special to me, and it's very hard for me to part with them. Like, I've gifted some to friends and family or sold some on Facebook Marketplace, and I get so attached to these plants, you guys. Like, it's so hard for me to say goodbye. There's certain leaves that I get attached to. It's so embarrassing, but it's true. There's certain leaves where I'm like, I'm never gonna find a leaf this beautiful again on a plant. Like, I don't want to give it away. So I literally have like 10 of the same plant of every plant in my home, which is so bad. My dream is to have like a whole plant room where I could just have them all. Let's go ahead and get started and show you guys what I'm selling on my plant shop. Alright, so the first plant I'm selling is this pink Syngonium right here. This one, like I said, when I'm obsessed with certain leaves, I'm obsessed with how pink these leaves are. Like, I have another pink Syngonium and the leaves are not this pink, and I don't know if it's because it's getting more sunlight or what the deal is, but this one is super, super happy. It does have new growth coming out as well, and that leaf looks so pink, you guys. I'm like dying to see it. So if this does sell before I get to see that new leaf unroll, like, I need update photos because it's so cute. So yeah, I'm really excited to see this. This one's super healthy. It's got roots growing out of the pot, and if I wasn't reselling it, I'd be repotting it because it needs to go into a little bigger or like a deeper pot. I love this. It's so cute. I love pink plants. If you guys follow me for a while, you know I'm kind of gravitated towards colorful plants, but especially pink plants. So pink Syngonium, so gorgeous, can't go wrong. Very easy to care for plant as well. So another plant that I'm selling is this Peperomia Frost, and it's so cute and little. I've propagated this from my bigger one, which this one is actually almost the size of my big one. Like, it grows so fast, this guy, and it's got a ton of new babies growing in the middle. But the thing I love most about Peperomia Frost and why I chose to add this one to my shop is because of the silvery leaves. It's so gorgeous. Like, if you look at it up close and in the sun, I don't know if the camera will do it justice, but it sparkles. Like, it's so pretty. So I knew that I really wanted to share this one with the world, and it's so, so, so cute. I love baby plants too. Like, I love small size plants. Like, when they get big, I'm like, stay small. It's the same thing with like puppies or kittens. Like, they're so much cuter when they're smaller, right? So I'm kind of really into baby plants. So a lot of the ones I'll be selling are baby plants. So here is a Begonia maculata, this little baby. It's so funny because the mother plant is like so big it probably wouldn't even fit in the frame of this camera, but this one's so cute and little, and it does have that beautiful red underside, and it's got a new growth right in the middle there, and it's just doing so well. So I'm really excited to gift this to somebody because I feel like Begonia maculatas are just beautiful with their polka dots and everything like in the background. So cute, beautiful decor piece. So love, love, love this, and for me it's been very easy to take care of. I will give care tips with my plants when I do ship them out, but this one does like distilled water or like filtered water. It doesn't like tap water, so that's like the main thing. Yeah, love this guy, so cute. So this next plant is a Monstera adansonii, and this one and the next one I'm going to show you guys is going to be the hardest for me to part with because of the color of the leaves. So these leaves down here, I don't know why they turned out so like neon colored, and I'm sure they'll darken over time, but for now they're just so gorgeous. My other Monstera does not have leaves that color, and I don't remember the leaves coming out that color as well. And it does have new growth, as you could tell right over there shooting out. So this is a very fast grower for me, and for that reason I also really love it. And then another reason I really love this one is how many holes this leaf has. Holy moly, do you guys see that? I feel like all my other Monstera adansonii do not have leaves with this many holes. They all kind of look like these ones, but this, this one's really, really good. So, all right, so lastly, this is like the most basic plant, but I do talk about pothos a lot on my channel, and this is a marble queen. This is one that I propagated off of just like 3 leaf cuttings. Like this has just grown so much since then. It did take a long time for it to grow. They do grow fast, but not as fast as like a regular pothos. I feel like marble queen pothos take a long time. So the reason that I'm gonna be so sad for this one to, I kind of hope nobody buys this too, I'm not gonna lie, is because a lot of the leaves are half and half. They're like half, it's gonna be kind of hard for me to show you guys, but they're half green and half marbleized. So I don't know if you could see some of those. Like there's one over there, there's one here. Like I'm obsessed with those. And I feel like the other marble queen, like the mother plant that I have, has more lighter leaves. Like a lot of its leaves look like this, but I really love these half and half leaves. Like they are just everything to me. I'm obsessed with them, and whenever one comes out like that, I'm like, oh my god, I love you so much. Like so cute. I'm making another one right now. I took a bunch of cuttings off the mother plant, so hopefully I can make one that looks like this, so that way I won't be so sad if this one sells, or if this one doesn't sell, I'll keep it and then I will sell the new one that I'm making. So my logic is not the best, but that's my logic, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just really wanted to share with you guys that I did start an Etsy plant shop. It is called The Plant Casa, and as you know on my Instagram, I am Casa Rozay. And then I do want to let you guys know that some of the new plants I'll be having, let's see, what am I propagating? I'm actually propagating some watermelon peperomia, so that's going to be really exciting. I am propagating some satin pothos, and let me tell you that they are doing so well. They're growing so full and long. I just want them to get a little bit more full before I do list them. Also going to be selling some Brazil pothos, which I'm obsessed with. Let me show you guys my mother plant. This is my Brazil pothos, and I did take a bunch of cuttings off of it, which I was so sad to do, but I do want to share with you guys that plant because it grows so fast. Literally every day there's a new leaf, so I definitely knew I wanted to do that for you guys. So I really hope you guys follow me on all the social medias. Don't forget Instagram, Casa Rozay. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I post new videos every single Thursday and Sunday, and you definitely don't want to miss out on those. And don't forget to check out my Etsy shop. Let me know what you guys think of the Etsy shop, and I'm just so excited to share this with you guys. So just leave me some comments. I'm going to read all of them and respond to all of them. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!